Hello friends, welcome to Learn One. In previous lecture, we have learned the practicals of how to handle exception in Ruby. And today we will learn about the theory portion of retry statement in Ruby. Retry statement. Whenever any exception occurs while executing our program, and it will terminate our program. So to handle with this situation, we put our block of code into begin rescue block. So this will handle the exception and it will not terminate our program. But suppose whenever any exception occurs, our flow of execution will be moved from the execution to our rescue block and it will end up the execution. Here, suppose you want to execute your block of code again. What you will do? For this scenario, we can use retry statement. Now what this retry statement is doing is, whenever any error occurs, it will move to rescue block, and in our rescue block we can use retry statement. So our flow of execution is again from beginning of our definition. So here whenever it will encounter and retry statement, it will start execution of our block of code from scratch again. So this is how we can work with retry statement. Here in a screen I have shown you an example of retry statement. Here in my begin method I have written two print statement and one statement that is raising an error, and in my ensure block I have written and retry statement. So whenever our code is executed, first two lines will be printed and the execution flows from begin statement to ensure statement, and in ensure statement I have written retry. So it will again retry the execution of block of code and it will again print the two statement and flows come back to our ensure block because there is an raise statement which is raising an error. So this is how we can work with retry statement. In next lecture we will learn the practicals of retry statement in Ruby.